Yo, I'm Andrew. This is Share the Stoke, and this is Quick Fix Episode 2. I recently got lucky and got my hands on another 300XC two-stroke. I'm super stoked about it. I was able to trade with a dude who wanted the 350, and I wanted a 300 two-stroke, so it worked out great for both of us. What we're doing today is taking the relayed wiring harness from True North Motos that I had on my old two-stroke, and we're going to adapt it to work on this bike. Let's jump into it. Grab some coffee. Oh no. Where's my cup of coffee? Don't worry, found it. I'm going to give you a real brief overview of this thing. I already put some protection parts on it. Rad braces, stupid little plastic thing. I don't know if it makes a difference, but these Acerbis brake guard, exhaust flange guard, gotta have that. Clutch saver, throttle body guard. I think that's basically it. I did put an XCW rear fender on it. I'm a big fan of this. When I first cracked this thing open, I thought I was going to be able to use this relayed harness off the old bike and just plug it right in. But it turns out that the ODB connector is actually different between the 2023 and this is a 2025. So I reached out to the True North Motos guys, and they were kind enough to hook me up with this ODB connector that should plug and play and work. It's already set to the right pin location. All I got to do is slip this guy out of the back of this connector, which shouldn't be too painful. Then we are going to complete the harness to accept these TrailTech OEM connectors, because the previous setup that I had was actually two female ends. Like I had this already set up with a female end on here. You can see it right there. But we need it to be a male end so that it works with this TrailTech setup. So yeah, pretty straightforward. Just a little bit of crimping and cutting. Step number one, take the ground off the battery. You don't want to short anything out or throw a code and destroy all of these lovely electronics that are on these new fuel-injected bikes. Ask me how I know. Lovely. Like, I don't know, 15 minutes later. Let's see if we can screw up the other one. Dang, dude. That's actually super legit when you don't screw it up. Love it. Locked in. See if they go together nicely. They do. Whew. All right. Not gonna lie. Thought they had me in the first half there. Spicy. Look at how nicely that fan kit fits in there. It's still so beefy on the side impact protection here. Love it. Definitely worth the money. I guess it fits perfect. Don't hate that. Take a heat gun and then make the fan go on. Just make sure that all works. And then we'll see if it kicks off with the relay like I expect it to. Okay, no blinky codes. I'm going to wheel this bad girl outside and we'll test it. Oh, I'm in trouble. Woke up the baby. Gonna pause this for like an hour.